Hi, hope you're well. Thank you for coming back to our channel. So today I'm just talking about a few different hair products that I like to use. So as I've mentioned in other videos, I have 4C curly / wavy hair, and because my hair is pretty thick and like coarse, I don't wash my hair very often. Every time I wash my hair, when it goes to dry, it'll get a little frizzy. It kind of strips me of my natural oils, and so the first day or two my hair looks very dry, and then as the natural oils come in, my hair looks really good, and it's like it looks like for other people, I guess, when they first wash their hair. And again, when I style it, it does help bring the oil back, but I guess it takes me like an hour or to 2 hours to style my hair, so I don't like to do it very frequently. But when I do have my wash day, I like to do a lot of different steps just to maintain the quality of my hair and just like make sure it has all its nutrients. So I usually do all of the Olaplex steps 0 through 7. So there are a lot of other videos on this channel. And then one new thing that I added to my regimen recently is this Garnier Fructis damage eraser, the heal and seal treatment. So as you may be able to tell, I have like dyed my hair a few times. So I have these like honey blonde highlights, and then I also dyed my hair red, and then the red washed out. And so now it has like this brown tint to it. So the top is my natural black, and then on the bottom I've done a lot of different things. And so I wanted something that would kind of fix the damage and bring back a lot of the nutrients back to these coarse parts that I bleached. And so this is a heal and seal treatment that basically you put it in your hair for about 60 seconds, and then you rinse it out. And then I see that it kind of locks in a lot of the nutrients, right? So my hair doesn't feel as coarse or dry once the water dries from my hair. So it's a 60-second, it says to do it daily, but like I said, I only wash my hair really once a week. So I do it every time I wash my hair. It targets damage. It has like damage targeting technology formulated with phytokeratin complex and cacao butter, and instantly melts into the hair and binds itself to damage. Hair fiber is repaired and sealed down with no buildup. So it's proven to perform like it repairs damaged areas, it smooths roughness, and it helps block future damage for hair that shines with all its strength. So once I started using this product, I did notice an additional shine once my hair would dry, and the fact that it wouldn't, every time I use this, it doesn't frizz up as it normally does as much. And then also it does dry a bit faster. So like the directions are like after I've shampooed and conditioned my hair, so after Olaplex 4 and 5, which will also be linked down below, I apply just a quarter size amount. So I use, again, like I want to see the middle of my palm, and then I'll use both hands to seal in the product from root to tip in a downward motion, making sure to cover the ends. So sometimes I'll use more. I'll usually use like 2/4 ounces, right? So then I'll put it here, and then I kind of run down my hair like this until making sure that all of it's covered. And then I'll like add another quarter size amount, and then I'll do the same to this side. Just again, going from root to tip, but I will really make sure that my tips are covered because this is where most of the damage is. And for best results, it says to also use with like the shampoo and conditioner blend, but I've kind of seen that I like how Olaplex works the best. And yeah, so I like to use this pretty frequently for my hair. If you found this video helpful, or if you plan on using this yourself, or if you have used it, please let us know your thoughts below in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe, and also share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.